Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a look at Reef and Avalanche for the Avax coin. Jumping into Reef, before I do that, actually, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and you should do your own research before investing money into crypto. And I also want to mention the Telegram chat that I have going on. People are joining in. We're starting a conversation, sharing great projects, sharing tips, guys. So make sure to join in. And let's jump into the daily chart on Reef. So I haven't covered Reef in quite some time. This was one of the OG projects that I was covering when I first started uploading videos about crypto. So as you can see, we are actually right now having this daily EMA retest. What this means is the 20 EMA bounces off the 55 EMA, it propels it up, and that helps the price go up. It pushes the price up. But in order for that to happen, we need to break through the 55 EMA and we need to come back and retest the 20 EMA as support to confirm that we are in an uptrend. So Reef has been struggling for a while and it was looking similar to Cardano, where it was just in this long consolidation period. And before the Bitcoin correction, Reef was actually starting to break out. And as you can see, that was around a week ago. That was 17th, a bit more than a week ago. Reef was breaking out, but with the Bitcoin correction, it went back down, and we do have our local bottom at the moment at 0.02 cents. We have another good support level at 0.03 cents. That is our next one, and we also have a great support level at 0.333 cents. So keep those in mind. So now if we throw the fib up from this previous impulsive wave all the way to the bottom of the swing low, just like that, I taught you how to use the fib retracement in one of my previous videos, so make sure to check that out. So as you can see, we are currently testing the 0.382 level, which ties in nicely with the EMAs. So we have a strong resistance level at the moment over here. And once we do break through it, this is going to be it's a strong resistance level. Once we do break through it, we are going to hit our head on the 0.5 and later on the 0.618. But like I always say, once we get through the 0.618, we are most likely going to at least hit this previous impulsive wave top, which is at 0.048 cents. So look for that, guys. Currently on the RSI, we're below 50, so looking good on the RSI, and we are looking to make that bullish cross on the MACD. So you want to look for that. The MACD is a great indicator. You want to use them with the RSI together. And what this shows is that you should buy in, but I wouldn't buy in blindly straight off the bat. You want to buy in at retest. So perhaps you could get into a trade here at 0.033 cents. So yes, the price can start going up and you are going to miss this buying opportunity, but it is always better to buy the EMA retests or to buy the support retests, because you can buy in right now and then the price is going to come back down for another correction, and you do not want to do that, basically. So, and now we did have our all-time high here, and if we stretch out the fib to that, we can see that we are testing the 0.236 in regards to the previous all-time high. So that is something that we're looking at the moment, but currently on the previous impulsive wave, we still need to come back up into this trading channel over here. We want to come back up there. So we'll see how this goes, guys. We'll see. Let's jump into the 4-hourly chart real quick. All right, so you can see that we have made a bottom over here, and I mean, it sort of looks like a double bottom over here. As you can see, the first bottom and the second bottom. So this is an indicator of a trend reversal. And this is the case with a lot of cryptos in the market right now. So do expect this bullish cross to happen as well on the 20 EMA crossing the 55 EMA. That is a bullish cross, and that is just going to push the price up. It's going to force the price up. And we also made this death cross where the 55 EMA crosses below the 200 EMA. And you also don't want to see that happen. But that is something that we have going on right now. And if we take a look at the MACD, we actually did form that bullish cross on the MACD. As you can see, there is the bullish cross. And we're sitting at 56 on the RSI. So like I said, do target this bullish cross. If we go to the 1 hour chart, I can almost confidently say that. Let's see. Yep, we made that bullish cross, and now we're looking to cross the 200 EMA. So yeah, that is looking very healthy at the moment, guys. Let's just throw the fib one last time up, just so you can understand what's happening. Now, as you can see on the 1 hourly chart, right over here, as you can see, we are testing the 0.618 as support. As you can see, look at this. Look at these hourly candles. It is just so hard to get through the 0.618 without retesting it as support a lot of the times. And look at the 0.5 level. We are struggling a bit to get through these levels. But like I say, once we get through it, and as you can see, we are testing this strong resistance line. We're also going to have some resistance here at the 0.786, which is 0.0366 price. But once we get through those levels, then we can expect a surge to the upside. And also a little price prediction here at 0.043 cents once we do break the previous impulsive waves top. So that is it for Reef. Let's jump into AVAX. Now jumping into AVAX on the 4 hourly, as you can see, we did have this broadening channel and we failed to hold it. We dropped back down, and we were actually currently we are not in this falling wedge. So we had this falling wedge structure here, which in one of my previous videos I said is a bullish continuation, because you have this drop down, then you start trading with lower lows and lower highs, and that is basically a breakout is imminent out of that structure. And as you can see right now, as I am recording this video, we are breaking out of this structure on the 4 hourly chart, and that is very bullish. Let me turn those back in. As you can see, we made the bullish cross on the MACD, and on the RSI we are looking very healthy. And let's bring back, I apologize about that, let's bring back the EMAs. As you can see, the 20 EMA is curling up for that bullish cross. A lot of the projects made those bearish crosses, and now they are looking for those bullish crosses to help the prices come back up, and the markets are recovering in general. So we are testing this 55 EMA, hitting our head on it. We did wick above it, but we are struggling to get through it. We need a bit more volume for that. And the volume is looking good actually right now. We are getting good volumes, but we need to see a bit more. And if the prices continue in this way, then the market is going to be very healthy. In a week's time, a lot of profits are to be made. So also what I do want to mention, if we do break down, then do target these breakdown levels that we have. So the local bottom at the moment is $19.69. And before that, we do have a nice level over here as well at $21.56. And we do have a good support level at $24.54. And if you want to get in, there is a good chance you could get in at $25.44. But I would say that you can still get in at a relatively good price in between $24.5 and $25.5. And not financial advice by any means, but this is very undervalued for AVAX, because we are going to get that full retracement for AVAX, believe it or not, because most projects do tend to retest their previous all-time highs and retrace to them. As you can see, that was $60. So I have sold my AVAX for the time being before the Bitcoin crash, and I'm looking to get into it right now, and I'm going to buy into AVAX. So do target these breakdown levels. Let's jump into the daily chart to see what's happening. Also on the 4 hourly, we did form that double bottom, double bottom, which was a indicator of a trend reversal. So On the daily, we have been making lower lows, as you can see, and we made this bearish cross, which is a bad thing, but it is a good opportunity for people to get in. So we are going to start, as you can see, the 20 EMA is straightening out, and we want to start curling up. And that happens only after we break through the 20 EMA and test it as support, and then keep on marching onwards and upwards. On the RSI, we're looking definitely in the oversold area on 54. Not oversold, but this is a great time to buy in, and we are looking to make that bullish cross on the MACD. So everything points to the price going up, and this is a great time to buy in because we are going to get back to that $40 price. That is where the falling wedge started, or no, actually where the wedge started. I do apologize. The $40 is the top of the previous impulsive wave. 33.34 is our price target for the falling wedge structure. So we want to get back to the price for this structure to be complete. So that is it for AVAX and Reef. Do let me know if I missed anything on the charts. Just a quick little update. Don't want to drag this on for too long. These are two projects that we are looking at and targeting on the channel. So thank you for watching, guys. I do appreciate all the comments, all the likes, and all the support in the Telegram chat and in the comments that I get. So if I missed anything on the charts on both Reef and AVAX, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.